the wig of the week, the wig of the week, the wig of the week. Okay, hi guys, thank you so much for clicking. So in this video I'm going to show you the wig of the week, and it's this one. So there's a tutorial I shared with you on how to make this wig. If you are interested, if you want to know how to make it, kindly check the description box down below. And also if you're interested in buying it, I'll also leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll make it for you. Okay, so let me just try it on, guys, and comment down below if you love it, if you love the color, if you don't like it. Okay, yeah, yes, my clients love blonde wigs and I just love them too, because they just make me love them. Like, so pretty, blonde. I really love this blonde hair. Oh my god. So guys, also if you're interested in this blonde short wig, kindly contact me and I will make it for you. Before you try your no frontal, no closure wigs, just make sure your lines are neat and flat, not like mine. If I wear the wig and put the tips on my forehead, like someone might see my natural hair, especially on the sides or between the lines. Yeah, like between these lines, because you know it's not like a lace. So just make sure your lines are neat, small size, and yeah, neat and small size.